Hey there, future marketing magnates! Are you ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing? Well, grab your snorkel, because we're about to explore the deep ocean of opportunities. Now, I know what you're thinking. Which affiliate marketing program is the best for beginners like me? It's like standing in front of a vending machine filled with delicious snacks, and you can't decide which one to pick. But don't worry, we're here to help you make that choice. First things first, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. Imagine you're a tour guide, leading people to fantastic products and earning a commission for every sale. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch: you need to find the right tour to guide. There are countless affiliate marketing programs out there, like Amazon Associates, Carousel, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and many more. They're like different genres of music, each with its own rhythm and style. But here's the secret: they're all pretty similar. That's right! It's like choosing between vanilla and French vanilla ice cream. The real difference lies in what you enjoy the most. Are you a tech geek? Then go for a program that lets you promote the latest gadgets. Love fashion? There's a program for that too. Passionate about pets? You can find affiliate programs for pet products as well. Remember, you'll be spending a lot of time promoting these products, so make sure it's something you're interested in. It's like choosing a hobby. You wouldn't pick something that bores you to tears, would you? So, dear marketing enthusiasts, the best affiliate marketing program for beginners is the one that you enjoy the most. Explore, experiment, and find the one that resonates with you. It's a journey filled with discovery, excitement, and potentially a nice chunk of change in your pocket. Happy promoting!